Welcome to this Ascension upgrade, Merkabah and Light Body activation. Bringing your awareness to your heart center. Let's start by expanding and opening our heart so that we can hold the highest frequency vibration in the heart's field, and we can expand this and send it out all around us. The heart is the first chakra to receive this fifth dimensional upgrade, and it's through the heart that we touch and lift everyone around us. When we can keep the heart in a high frequency vibration, we can send that light out all around us, into our environment, and touching and lifting everyone that we meet. And taking some nice deep breaths, breathing into the heart, breathing in love, breathing in light, and as you exhale, exhaling that love and light out in front of you, breathing in love, breathing out light. Bringing your awareness to your higher heart center, just above the center of your chest to the sternum, and visualizing a Merkabah at the higher heart. And the Merkabah is shaped like a star. It's two pyramids interconnected. One pyramid facing upwards towards the great central sun, up into the cosmos, and one pyramid pointing downwards into Gaia. The colour of the Merkabah is a diamond white platinum light. And as you breathe in and out, this Merkabah starts to expand all around you. Each breath out, sending that Merkabah 360 degrees all around you. So it becomes a 3D Merkabah. A three-dimensional shape all around you. And this Merkabah is vibrating this diamond white platinum light all around you, activating your fifth dimensional higher heart, so that your body can fill and hold this higher frequency of light from the great central sun and from Gaia. And now let's invoke the consciousness, the golden white energy from the great central sun. Invoking the energy down through the tip of your upper pyramid, This is an access point for the great central sun to enter your 5th dimensional chakra column at your stellar gateway. It sits around 2 meters above your head, and drawing that light down into the soul star. Where your monad sits, your oversoul, drawing the energy down into the causal, just above your crown. Golden white light enters the physical body at the crown of your head, and moving down into the heart center. And feeling all the chakras above your heart lighting up, holding this high frequency light. Breathing that energy into every cell of your body, into the blood, into the bones, into all systems of your physical body. Every part of your body lighting up with this frequency of light. Now invoking the diamond white light of Gaia, drawing the energy up from the core of the earth, bringing your awareness to the tip of your lower pyramid as this portal opens, allowing the Gaia consciousness to enter into your energy shield, drawing that light up through the earth star chakra below your feet, up into the body, moving the energy up into the base of your spine, and drawing the energy up into the heart, filling all of your lower chakras, each chakra filling with that frequency of light from Gaia. And these 2 pyramids hold the consciousness of the cosmos and the consciousness of Gaia. The pyramids connected to the Akashic Records. It is said that the pyramids of Egypt hold the intelligence of Earth, of Gaia, within. And the pyramids, the Akashic Records of the Earth. Allowing this intelligence to fill the whole of your body, this wisdom of Gaia, divine wisdom from the universe, divine love, divine truth. And as your body fills and expands, all systems of your body upgrading, send this light out into your environment, touching and lifting everyone around you. in your community, your loved ones, your friends, your neighborhood, sending the energy out to all four corners of the earth. Feeling that heart expansion, your whole body vibrating and pulsating with this light intelligence of consciousness. And as your Merkabah expands, it's sending that intelligence out into the world around you. Breathing in that light, breathing in love, breathing out wisdom, light, truth, consciousness. And setting the intention to lift everyone around you who is open to embracing this divine light, who is open to embracing divine love, who is open to embracing consciousness, wisdom. Everyone around you who is ready to step up and into their own divine light. You are the portal and the center point of this energy. You are the beacon of light within your environment. Your whole body vibrating with the highest frequency of light. Bringing your awareness back to your heart. Start to draw your Merkabah back towards you. And bringing it back into your higher heart center. All systems of your body, the energy body systems, the physical body systems, fully activated. All systems of your body in harmony. Setting an intention to remain in this high vibrational frequency of light throughout the day, no matter what. Bringing yourself back into the room. whenever you're ready. Anchoring the energy below your feet, feeling grounded and centered. You're at one with all that is. Thank you, thank you, thank you.